Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. If you're interested in learning something new, either as a hobby or to further your career, you should check out Universal Class, which is an online resource that provides access to free continuing education classes using your Kings County Library card. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you're going to navigate to the brown Research button, which is located on the top of the page. Once you arrive at the Research webpage, then you're going to scroll to the Database table and then click the blue button where it says See All Databases. When you've arrived at the database webpage, be aware that all of our databases are listed in alphabetical order. Having said this, you're going to scroll down until you locate Universal Class. And then you're going to click where it says click here to access. If this is your first time using Universal Class, you'll need to click the green Register Now button and type in your first name, last name, email address, and then create a password in order to access the course. Since I've done this previously, I'm going to click the Sign In button. The Sign In button is located right here where it says Sign In, as well as within these three lines right here. So now I'm going to log in. And once you've typed in your email address and password, then you'll click the Sign In button. And this will take you to the Universal Class homepage. You can tell that you were successfully able to log in because you'll see that the person here, when you click on the name, it'll have your name listed there as well as your classes, achievements, profile, contacts, and account options. So we'll click out of that. If you're unsure of what class to take, you can locate a class by clicking here where it says Browse Courses. When you click Browse Courses, it'll bring up a table of areas of study. So if you know specifically what type of topic you're looking for, you can type it in the box here. However, if you're unsure of what you want to learn in Universal Class, you can always click on any of the areas of study. So let's say that we wanted to learn about pet care. So if I wanted, for example, to learn about how to choose the right dog for me, any of the courses, you can click on the More Info area here, and it will present information such as how many lessons are in each class, total number of exams and assignments, average time to finish, and then how many continuing education units are available for that particular class. An option is presented also for a video audit, which means that you would watch the videos corresponding to the course. However, you would not be taking the exams or assignments that are related to it. Be aware that the Universal Class is accredited by the International Association for Continuing Education and Training. And if you complete a course in Universal Class, you will receive credit for what you've learned. However, these are not college credits and they will not contribute towards a degree. However, since a lot of professional organizations and employers represent CEUs or continuing education units, this can help you maintain some sort of professional licenses or build your resume. So let's see. So I'm going to join this class, and you can do that simply by clicking the button here that says Join this class. And as you can see, there's two options. You can join for get certificate class, or you can join with the video only class. So I'm going to press video only. So this actually shows you what the differences are if you take a class in video only mode versus normal mode. So video only mode, you don't get a certificate if you complete it. Again, you only watch the lesson videos and you aren't participating in the course activities or class communications such as assignments and exams. So you can watch all the lessons, videos, no assignments, no exams, no instructional support, no class discussions, no class email, no printable lessons or materials, no CEU, or no certificate. However, if you're signing up for a class in normal mode, you do have access to all of those pieces of information. And be aware that to pass a class, you would need to score 70% or higher grade in that particular class that you sign up for. So just choose that in video only. So once you pick video only, you can enter the course. And as you can see, since I did video only mode, I can just watch the video and then go to the next video. So let's say that I wanted to sign up for another course. Go to my classes. And if I wanted to go and sign up for another course, browse another course, and we'll go career training. And we'll do delegation skills. Okay. So again, I'm going to join this class. However, this time I'm going to join it in normal mode. So certificate class. And then I'll scroll down and enter the course. And so most of the classes will have a learning outcome as well as opportunities for you to join a conversation with other people that are taking that similar class. As you can see, the only lesson that's available is the current one. So once you complete each lesson, then as you complete the lesson, more lessons will open. So once I complete lesson 1, view the first lesson, introduction, assignment, and take the exam, then lesson 2 would open, lesson 3, and so on and so forth. And the main thing is that with all these lessons, you do have to complete them in order. So that means reading the material as well as taking an exam and doing any extra assignments. So if I click on view lesson, as you can see, it presents the options for video, activities, discuss. So if I wanted to discuss the class lessons with my other students or the instructor, I could do that. Or if I wanted to actually print out the lessons, I could do that as well. So if I wanted to view my progress in all my courses that I'm currently taking, then I can do that by to my classes, which will show all the classes I'm currently taking, as well as achievements, profile, contacts. And so as I complete the course, they will go from the My Classes area to My Achievements. And so as you can see here, once it's done, then it says your list of CEUs and certificates you've earned while taking online courses at Universal Class will be here. And just be aware that this will be covering classes taken in the past 7 years. So if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, you can leave that, contact the Kings County Library Facebook page, or comment on this video in reference to future tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube, as well as follow the Kings County Library Facebook page. Thank you and have a good day.